So this is the primer unit, the lead primer unit. It's spring loaded. So really all you have to do is press down here. It recesses that piece, and then you just load in the cartridge tool, as you can see, and then you just pick it back up. Now you have the tool in place to load the cartridges. The second thing you do is you take the primers, and the front and the surface of this has like a bunch of little nods that are raised up. And that's designed that way so that when the primers are dropped into this black tray, all you have to do is shake them for the primers to get into the right position so that they're always facing the direction they have to be loaded. And that's important, obviously, because if they're not loaded properly, then it's a waste of a cartridge. And there's ways we're gonna ensure that throughout the loading process that happens. So you can see some of them have the silver side and some of them are the gold side up. They all have to be gold side up, and how you do that is you just shake them until they're all gold side up. And that's it. And they're all gold side up. And then you get them in position and you get them down that channel that they're at right now. There's one stray over here, so we'll put that back where it belongs, and then cover the top. Simple, you just lock it into position there. Now the primers are ready to be loaded. The first thing you want to do is ensure that there's a primer in position. In order to do that, there's a lever on the bottom here. We press it up and you see the primer dropped in line. It's very important to keep the priming tool tilted as it is right now for two reasons. The first, you can see the primer's in position here. It dropped in position and it's in position correctly. It's not silver side up, it's gold side up. And the second reason, it lines the primers up to get right in line to be loaded one after another without any interruption. If you hold it down this way in a regular kind of position, it makes it more difficult to see the primer going in, and makes it more difficult. In fact, it makes it more readily capable of loading a primer the wrong way. In other words, the primer may be silver side up, which means it goes in the wrong way, and then we lose time and we lose a cartridge. So this should be the position when you're loading. This is the way you should be looking at it, from your eyes directly down into it, and that we're ready to start priming. So I'm gonna go turn this video off and get some cartridges, and then we'll do a third video.